Hello everyone, thank you for completing the campus tutorials. They were quite short and brief. I hope you enjoy them. So today we are going to go through casing wear as we proceed with our landmark training. So this is casing wear. We are going to open the software and as we prepare ourselves for the training today. So casing wear is basically all about casing. How do we do casings, the types of casings that we put in. So I'm going to be taking you through still again today. I'm Kiza Thomas, your instructor for today and trainer. So let's wait for our software to open. I hope we all enjoyed the session with campus, and I hope we shall all enjoy the session with casing wear. So our software is open. We put in our password. Landmark 1. So we click on the login. We allow our software to open. Please remember to leave a message just in case you enjoyed. When you're on our website and you check all the videos, remember to leave a message so that we can get some feedback from you. Your feedback is highly appreciated, and we thank you for attending the previous campus training. So welcome to casing wear training. This is the second part of our training. I hope you also enjoy and you have a lot to learn. So it takes some time because it's a bit heavy, but it will run on your machine. You don't need to be worried. Casing wear is an interesting one, a bit different from the other one, but they are all quite similar. So those of you who always have inquiries, you can always feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp, on email, or any. So I already have some samples here, but for today's lecture we are going to create a new case. So we click on create new. So please don't mind this, I will just delete. So the company we are using today, we are going to use Elite. We are going to use Elite as our company. Then we get the project. Please remember to put information in all these brackets. Any information you find, just delete and put it afresh. If you put the information, if you take the information that is there, it is false information, it will not open our file. So we put in a project. I'm going to call it project 1. I'm going to call it project 1. Then the site, I can call it site 1. But when you're working with a company, remember to put in the information that has been given to you. So the well, I'm going to call it well 01, and also the well bore, we can also call it the same name as the well. So this one we can also call it design 1. Then the case, please remember not to use hashtags when you are putting this work. So let's call it case 2. Now here on datum, we can also use datum 1. We can call it datum 1. So the units, depending on what your company is using, you can choose API, SI units, mixed API. I love using the mixed API. So you choose according to what your company is using. Now, this part down here is where we choose which type of rig we are on. If it's offshore, you're going to select here that it's offshore. If it is offshore and it's subsea, you select that it's offshore subsea. But for now, for today's version, we are going to use we are going to construct a land rig. So we deselect both of them. So that's a land rig. So we have put in our wellhead elevation. So we can use a wellhead elevation of 12 meters. Then we can use a datum. Now datum, as you can see, is this red line here from the mean sea level up to our wellhead elevation. So we can use a datum of, maybe I'm going to use a datum of 20. I can use a datum of 38, but let me use 20 for the sake of today. I'm going to use a datum of 20. So the ground elevation is the distance from the mean sea level and the ground, the normal ground elevation. So let's use 8 meters. Okay, so when we finish this part, then we can click on create. So our first part of casing wear training is going to end here after we click on create. So thank you for attending the first part of casing wear training, and please let's be together for the second part of this casing wear training. Thank you very much.